guys, shirakan akiog ya miya legit earnings sa miya sa online jobs, websites or mga platform like Reddit kate so giyan na Silentio voice AI. You just have to speak and record your voice once na mag-prompt yung question like lagi daya, what strategies help you overcome procrastination in making difficult decision. So ayabuhi kidiya ka nasunga sa ChatGPT and create a sentence, what strategies help you overcome procrastination in making difficult decision. Just copy paste the question and give me 3 sentences more real human answer. So kates yung nag pop up na answer, just feel like na normal lang yung pagsagot mo. Don't speak like reading the sentences because just be normal. Don't panic. It's not organic dito. Sign up kayo sa Silentio Voice AI na just use my link if you are interested. Yun lang yung gagawin mo, then mag-generate ng income na yan once na-approve ni client yung recorded voice mo about dun sa topic question. Na sana mag-sign up ka dito sa Silentio Voice AI. Every 1 hour $11 or $10, maximum $15 once ginawa mo yung task. So yun lang po, sana mag-sign up ka especially si sayungad na Marvin Sukawiyagan na I'm just helping you lang and me also kasi nakaka-help tayo kahit papano. And you can use this by using your phone also. Mobile phone is applicable kaya compatible siya sa phone. Ang gagawin mo lang is ganito rin, just long press the horizontal line, 3 lines, then long press the website Silentio Voice AI doon. Ito siya, speak in English, and they have also a event for voice recording, speak in Filipino, Tagalog, and so mas maganda mapya na surang kaso English ka, kahit limited English meron naman ChatGPT. Continue mo lang yan katata. Tell me about copy paste mo yan long press mo yung 3 dot line, so ka sa Silentio Voice AI, long press, then long press mo lang, then punta ka kay ChatGPT. Hanapin mo yung train AI. Hanapin mo speak English kasi mostly dito na Malay sukatan sa dollars just by recording your answer. Continue. How do you consider the environmental impact of your digital choices? Ita-type mo lang yan dito sa ChatGPT. Ganun lang, sana mag-sign up ka na medyo makatulong tayo sa mga no pera o sa mga tambay at saka sa mga kailangan ng pera at may pangbiling kahit ano, gito, salam,